Hello friends, welcome to the video on design of a beam. In this video, you will learn about the concepts and technical considerations in structural design of a beam, which includes spans, supports, and loading. A beam is a structural element that primarily resists loads applied laterally to its axis. Its mode of deflection is primarily by bending. In a frame structure building, it is used to transfer loads from slabs to columns between two intermediate supports in a beam. When a beam is having multiple supports, the number of spans is the number of lengths between two pairs of independent supports. Intermediate supports. Thus, we can have a single span beam or a multi-span beams as shown. For any point, there are six possible moments that can occur. These are called the 6 degrees of freedom, 3 for translation movement in the x, y, z axis, and another 3 for rotational movements in the 3 axis. These degrees of freedoms help us understand whether or not these movements are free to move or are restrained. The joints in a structural member are classified into 4 types, depending on these degrees of freedom. Fixed support provides restraints in all 6 degrees of freedoms, that is translation in 3 axis and rotation in the 3 axis. The pinned support restrains all 3 translational degrees of freedom. The roller support restrains only the translation in the z axis. The no support or the free support means there is no restraint in any degree of freedom. Common types of beams. A cantilever beam is a projecting beam fixed at only one end and free at another end. A simply supported beam is supported on one of the ends with a pin support and the other end with a roller support. A beam fixed on both ends and restrained from both rotation and translation at the ends is said to have fixed ends. The beam can be fixed at one end, acting as a cantilever, and simply supported at the other end, extending beyond its support on one end. If the beam is exceeding beyond its supports in both ends, then it is a double overhanging beam. A beam extending over more than two supports is a continuous beam. Types of loads in a beam. A point load is a load which acts over a very small distance. Because of concentration over a small distance, this load can may be considered as acting on a point. Distributed load is that which acts over a considerable length, or you can say over a length which is measurable. Distributed is measured as per unit length. The uniformly distributed load is that whose magnitude remains uniform throughout the length. Uniformly varying load is that load whose magnitude varies along the loading length with a constant rate. In the next videos, you will learn to draw a concrete beam and apply loads on it using the SAP 2000 software. And subscribe for more videos guys. Do share and support.